Hello everyone. In this video of the ReviewsVidz, I am going to talk about the top 5 air mattress this year. I made this my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information with updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Comfort Queen Air Mattress. Comfort Queen Air Mattress uses advanced air coil technology to get more 35% support, with up to 700 pounds capacity. Its soft flocking material makes the top of the bed extra comfortable. Comfort Queen Air Mattress holds a quiet and powerful pump. The upgraded pump design is made to be 25% quieter than competitors. This air mattress can be inflated to your desired firmness in 3 to 5 minutes with up to 18 inches in height. The built-in power cable storage compartment keeps your home clutter-free. The power will cut off automatically after 10 minutes of continuous operation to prevent short circuit. It is made of 0.45 mm extra thick PVC that is 21% thicker than other brands. Its specific inner coil, air beam construction provides greater support and remains flat. 0.2 mm thick, waterproof, flock top makes it anti-scratch and easy to clean. A raised edge prevents kids from unexpectedly falling off and hitting the floor. The anti-slip bottom prevents the bed from unwanted sliding during use and provides a suction grip on hard surfaces. Finally, puncture-resistant, eco-friendly PVC makes this air mattress extra durable and long-lasting. Comfort Queen Air Mattress provides a friendly 2-year refund and replacement warranty and lifetime after-sales service. Number 4. Intex Comfort Airbed. The Intex Comfort Plush Elevated Dura-Beam Airbed is engineered with the Dura-Beam technology, which is comprised of thousands of high-strength polyester fibers, resulting in amazing durability for years of lasting comfort. This Comfort Plush mattress is remarkably easy to inflate thanks to the built-in, high-powered electric pump, which does its job in a mere 3.5 minutes. Comfort Plush's bed is covered in plush flocking that is soft to the touch, and the horizontal air chambers provide added stability and support around the entire bed. The mattress is also equipped with a quality-tested, 20.8-gauge waterproof flocked top and 16-gauge sides and bottom for durability. The waterproof flocked top can be raised 22 inches from floor with indented sides to keep your fitted sheets from slipping. The Comfort Plush bed, which offers a capacity of 600 pounds, the mattress comes with an AC power cord and a duffel bag for storage. Number 3. Beka Twin Air Mattress. Beka Twin Air Mattress features a built-in raised pillow for extra head and neck support for more comfort through the night. A soft flocking makes the bed extra comfortable even without sheets. The mattress features inner coil air beam construction to provide plenty of support. It extra thick durable PVC material with special inner construction to support up to 300 pounds. An adult can sleep comfortably all night. This extra thick PVC underside prevents any unwanted sliding when you get up from the bed. Beka Twin Air Mattress is a built-in electric pump with a cord storage compartment, quickly inflates or deflates airbed to desired firmness in about 3 to 5 minutes. The power will cut off automatically after 10 minutes of continuous operation in case of unsupervised operation. Manual inflation-deflation valve also included for camping or other situations without access to power. This comfortable sleeping support can be raised 18 inches from the floor. The waterproof flocked top air mattress and unique wave vanes match all parts of your body well. Beka Air mattresses come with a 2-year return and refund promise and lifetime after-sales service. Number 2. Etexity Air Mattress. Etexity Air Mattress twin-size inflatable airbed comes with double-layer inner construction with puncture-resistant material and unique wave vanes that support all parts of your body well, help you completely relax and enjoy a deep sleep all night. Its 0.4 mm thick PVC maintains the structure of the airbed when it is inflated, allowing you to rest easy. To ensure your comfort, Etexity Air Mattress choose the 0.2 mm flocking as the top. Etexity Air Mattress twin-size inflatable airbed is built-in electric pump quickly inflates airbed to desired firmness in about 3 to 5 minutes, able to hold up to 550 pounds with up to 18 inches in height. Its special inner construction makes the airbed stable and comfortable to ensure the airbed maintains its form. The skid-free base and rib-like structure on the Air Mattress design is adopted for more comfortable. Waterproof flock top is always dry and material is easy to clean after use, simply wipe down with a damp cloth. 2-year and lifetime support provided by Etexity. Number 1. Intex Pillow Rest Raised Airbed. Intex Pillow Rest Raised Airbed is a simple, super comfy air mattress with a built-in electric pump that makes inflating it a breeze. This inflatable airbed for home is engineered with fiber tech interior construction that will inflate in less than 4 minutes. One of the best design features about the pillow rest is the built-in inflatable pillow. With the pillow and the flock top, the mattress is essentially ready to use out of the box. The Intex Pillow Airbed uses vinyl beams at the top for support and comfort. The mattress feels pretty firm and sturdy. When inflated, the mattress is 16.5 inches high. When deflated, it goes completely flat. The weight capacity is 300 pounds. For support and durability, the mattress has a double-layered wave beam interior. And as a material it uses nylon. This protects against punctures, especially during outdoor use and stretching over time. It also keeps the mattress rigid and firm when you lie on it. A duffel bag is included for easy storage and transport.